Hello viewers, there's a good news to all of you who want to join Shomus online coaching, but with the money constraint you always think about the fees that is out there to join Shomus online coaching. This is a good news to all of you because Shomus online coaching is offering 17 to 25% discount on the online coaching program fee. 17 से 25% की ऑफर में अगर आपको कोचिंग ज्वाइन करना है, इफ यू वांट टू ज्वाइन आवर कोचिंग प्रोग्राम from 17 to 25% up to 25% off for this upcoming session of CSIR NET Online Coaching Life Science program, then watch this video because in this video I'm going to tell you how you are going to exactly get it and कैसे करना है, किस हिसाब से ज्वाइन करना है, जल्दी ज्वाइन करना है, otherwise the offer will run out. Hello everyone. This video is going to tell you what are the features that you are going to expect from Shomus Biology online coaching. हमारे कोचिंग ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं तो कौन कौन से फीचर आपको मिलेंगे. Shomus Biology online coaching for CSIR NET Life Science is all in English medium. Although you can ask your queries in Hindi, अगर किसी को हिंदी में क्वेरी पूछना है तो पूछ सकते हैं. I will answer the query in Hindi, but the topics will be discussed in English and English only. Now, what are the things, what are the facilities that you are going to get from Shomus Biology online coaching? I'm just going to tell you about the facilities that we provide. Now it's up to you to take the decision whether you choose us or any other institute out there, right? Because the price points are different, features provided are also different. Remember one thing, the amount that you pay is something for which you are going to get the service. So you're not going to get a better service for a lower price. You're always going to get the same quality of the service for the price that you pay for. So here what we have here, we have interactive lectures for all the 13 units of CSIR NET Life Science plus the paper 1. Plus we have dedicated biology math problem lecture series separately conducted. That is our exclusivity that we have. We have PYQ explanations at the end of every single lectures. We have previous year's questions, part C questions explained. You can ask anyone who has taken coaching from us that we answer and explain PYQ at the end of every single lecture. We have study guide videos to guide you to understand what to do, what not to do to prepare every single unit of the CSIR NET Life Science examination. We have test series. We have unit tests for every single unit and we have grand mock tests. Okay, so 2 to 3 grand mock tests you are going to get. You are going to get part A tests. There will be 2 separate paper 1 tests as well. So total 17 tests you are going to get included in this coaching package. And you have hard copy books. We provide 4 hard copy books delivered to your doorstep. You don't need to pay anything extra. Once you pay the amount for the coaching, all included. Hard copy books. These 4 books. Blueprint of Life Science book, green, red and yellow book, and this PYQ answer explanation book. These 4 books will be delivered to your address. Shipping is on us. You don't need to provide for the shipping. So all these things are included. And the biggest USP that you are going to get is the validity of all the lectures which will be saved. The saved version of the lectures inside the application. Okay. The book's validity obviously lifetime. The saved of the lectures, all the study guide videos, all the test series answer explanation PDFs. The validity is of 2 years. Now many people might think this, may not think about this 2 years validity. They say that we don't want validity, 2 years validity, we want 6 months and all. Please understand one thing. Only 1% people qualify NET in one go. In one go, you may not qualify NET. If you qualify, that is the best thing and we will try our best to do that. But if you fail to qualify, after 6 months, all the materials will be gone and you need to pay extra again for the coaching. But in our case, we don't charge that because we know that 2 years is the actual optimum time frame for anyone's preparation for the exam. So the validity of the recorded version of the lectures, the PYQ explanations, the test series explanations, PDFs under the application will be there for 2 years validity set. Now we also provide this facility separately. So for the separate validity like these lectures, PYQ explanations, study guide videos, for all this is a package worth 10,990. at our website. It is available to buy separately as a recorded version. Test series we conduct separately. The price is 3,500. Hard copy books we sell separately. The price is 3,900. So now imagine what is the total amount adding all of them together. So that's approximately 11,000 plus 4, 15,000 plus 3, 18,500. So near about 18,500, approximately 18,500 rupees is the total cost if you want to buy individual packages separately. But if you join coaching at once, this fee is reduced directly to only 15,200. Instead of 18,500, you only need to pay 15,200. And in this amount, you are not only getting it, you are getting the interactive lectures, you are always getting the doubt clearing from me directly, direct contact with me. You'll have my WhatsApp number, you'll have my phone number. There is no middleman here. You have direct contact with me regarding any doubt, any problems throughout the preparation phase. For all these facilities only for 15,200. Now, as the credit culture is so much, people always want to pay 1,000 or 200 rupees, 1,500 rupees at once. But don't fall for the credit trap, because that extracts the extra interest on it. So you are actually ending up paying more. But here we don't offer the credit culture because we are not that a big company that offers you EMI facilities out there. So we have the option of paying 15,200 rupees. If you pay for that, you're getting material worth 18,500, which will help you for the 2 years complete preparation package for the CSIR NET Life Science. So think about it once. Many people, many coaching institutes, in fact, they start to spread the rumors that Shomus Valley is charging so much. But let me tell you one thing, for all those facilities, all those coaching institutes, ask them what facilities that they are providing. Are they providing hard copy books to your address? Are they providing test series? Are they providing study material, study guide videos, PYQ explanations, biology, math problems, extra classes, direct doubt clearing? Are they providing you validity of 2 years? None of them are providing it, because we are in this business for more than 10, 12 years right now. And we know all the coaching institutes that are out there, none of them are providing it. If somebody is providing this coaching for 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000 rupees, they are cutting many things. You can get this coaching, but the validity will be 6 months. So the moment the 6 month is over, the exam is over, all the material will be gone. You need to pay again. You need to pay again. You need to pay another 9,000 rupees. So essentially the cost will become 9 plus 9, 18,000. But in our case, you don't need to pay again, because the video lectures that are saved inside the application will be there with you for 2 years. And believe me, you are going to get this benefit. You are going to realize what big benefit this offers to our students, because all these packages are curated after talking so many candidates who passed from us. Based on that we update, based on that we modify.